You are now tuned in to the Crazy Whip Edition. Put it. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Very well clean though.
The pipe. You change the pipe. I don't want to spin because I don't want to get this man thrown from up here.
Not yet, man. Don't do it yet. Yeah, don't do it yet. Clean, cut. Damn it, man. down there, y'all. Y'all can see them flakes now, man. Look at them flakes. It's dirty. Boy can't show some love though. Boy can't show some love. Y'all, this the end of the result or the car meet. Car meet went bad. Look it. Pulled up to my boy house. Man, I smoothed the whole side off, man. Hayden baby coming on pretty good. Y'all remember that big long line going there this side right here, like it been scrubbed? Got that bad boy out. Smoothing it out. About another week, he'll be ready about the paint. Another week and a half. My boy do got another job, so he do work full time. So about another week and a half, be ready for paint. Got another trunk. Y'all seen how the other trunk was? Had all the rust and stuff right there. This side right here ain't that bad. Ain't that bad as the other one, so he'll be ready for paint soon, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I look good already, man. Get it dang right, y'all. Get it dang right. Alright, word, one more look before I leave. Y'all remember the big dent right there? He gone. He getting it right. Getting the dough right. Made new hole and everything. As y'all just seen, put the primer on him. See what's going on with there. Getting it right. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Getting everything right. I remember that Black Mama S10. So no dents, no nothing. Y'all see how it came from. So make sure y'all stay tuned, y'all. And I'm out. Well, y'all know how to talk about it, man. That's why me and Corso said no burnout. Anything can help, man. My boy don't tow up that pretty Hellcat. Man, I went there. Me and my boy rolled out, you know what I'm saying, to the house. Back to the house, but like I say, man, don't burn out, cause anything can help. No kids and stuff out there, so I don't know details, but I'm glad. Hope everybody alright. But no burnout, man. Please. You know what I'm saying? Trying to go everything, everybody come enjoy themselves, but no burnout, please, y'all. Stop. why they say I'm bullshit, man. They doing all that capping, man. You see it.